Hello everyone. So today I'm bringing a little different. Again, I will take out two cards. That is one from this. Now this is your card one. One from this. This is your relative to the card one. Okay. One from this. Card two. Relating to the card two. So card one and card two. Okay. Now you can. How do you select this? I will be giving you two images. This is for the card one. This is for the card 2. So look at this. You will go by the image today. Do you want this image which is for card 1 set? I'm just leaving it a couple of seconds so that you can see the image. Or do you want this image which is for the card 2 set? Right? So now let's open the card 1's first card. Oneness. I see this as a beautiful card. Actually, my words are stuck looking at the beauty. I see a person sitting there and enjoying the beauty. Now this is a crystal. So I would suggest those who have crystals, whichever crystal you have, it's an indication that you should carry a crystal with you today. Now if you don't have a crystal, it's completely fine. Burn a white candle and say that I am one with the nature today. I am balanced, I am calm, and I am composed. Or you can, if you don't have a white candle, you can even burn a lamp and just say the same statement. I feel everything is going to be good for you today. It's a bright day. It's a marvelous day. It's a beautiful, beautiful, amazing day. It's a day with positive energies. It's a day with everything that you desire that will accomplish. Now let's see what the financial card is saying. Inner power. See? Give me the courage and the power to do what must be done. So today, you will be out like the lion. You will be courageous. You will be able to achieve what you want to achieve. But overall, when I'm seeing both the cards, I must say, I feel it's going to be a beautiful day for you all. Now, let's see what was in this image. I know my shadow side and I work willingly, transform aspects of it. So, somewhere, now this statement goes missing for me and she stands in front of me. Goddess Hecate. So, call on her. Most of you all who follow me know that I follow Goddess Hecate a lot. So call on her and tell her to guide you. Some of you, when you call, may hear a dog barking, and if you're a dog lover, you might see a dog coming and hugging you or kissing you or standing by your side. It's an indication that she is loving you, and I'm sure it's going to be a powerful day and you're going to enjoy the day. Now let's see card 2. Those who have taken card 2. Okay, third eye portal. Here maybe there is some confusion which you are having. Maybe there are some things which you are not understanding. I'm bringing in a closer view. Okay, look at this image. Grasp this image, the golden rays, through your third eye, and you shall seek or you shall get the reality or the truth which you're seeking. And if there's any confusion, the confusion will be cleared. Keep looking at it through your third eye. Just absorb the energies through your third eye, and I'm sure today is going to be a beautiful day with a lot of fortune. Everything is going to get cleared and you are going to feel positive that you have achieved the answers. Now the card for this, see, that's the reason I love my cards. Clearing. So God is saying, let go, trust everything. Okay, the Vignaharta, God Ganesha, is going to clear everything and going to make you happy today. So when he is there, there is nothing which can be as an obstacle. Now let's see what this image talks. I am courageous and powerful. Maybe this is the reason I just love doing card readings. They just go with the flow. So today overall, both the cards, be it 1 or 2, you guys are going to have a beautiful day. You guys are going to have an amazing day ahead. Have a great and a blessed day. God bless.